Hey everyone, this is Scott with JoyT5 Atlantic. I'm going to do a quick walk around video here. It's not going to be as in-depth as what R32 usually posts. We're just going to walk around. I don't have a cameraman or a mic, so hopefully the sound is good. Here you've got your R32 Pro. Really large thumb on the front there. Large bucket. It's got swing boom. Huge blade on the front. You can see the guard in the lower portion of the window. Mirror up there, extra lights on the top as well as a light on the boom. The window in the front there does go up into the folds up above your head in the roof. We're coming around the back. You've got and the side here. You've got a lot of access. Back lid opens upward, and then the side cover here with this little latch opens upward. The main hydraulic valve bank is out here. Access to your hydraulic fill here and hydraulic oil filter. The pump is right down in here, easy to access. I'm going to have a quick look inside. The door will latch here and over there so that it will stay open. Push this button to release it. Your fuel access is easy to get at outside here. Your travel pedals, and it's got nice pedals here. They fold up out of the way too. They are hydraulic run rather than a physical connection. The same thing here. This is just a cover. This operates your swing boom. Just make sure you don't hit it accidentally. This one over here operates your thumb. You've got your LCD panel up in here. Shows your RPM, your temperature, clock, voltage. Down in the corner here is your hours. These are the latches for opening the window to pull it towards you and then slide it up. Windshield wiper, window on the top there. LED light. You've got speakers because on the LCD screen there's a radio, and I believe you can Bluetooth your phone. Fan up in the corner, window breaker, small fire extinguisher. Your air conditioning knobs are up on the top here. The vents are there. You've got your shut off here. This is a key that you can shut it off and take it out and remove it. Charging port here for your phone. Another charging port up in behind here. And we'll just do a slow walk around the whole machine. Accessory port there on the boom. You can see the cylinder there. It does have swing boom.